Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how you can get Spider-Man 2 for PS4 or PS5 completely free. So I want to show you guys this cool website that allows you to generate the code that allows you to have the game. So I am going to be flipping my camera screen over and showing you guys step by step so that you can easily follow along as you watch the video and be able to have your game completely free. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, everyone, so I'm on my phone here now, so take out your phone, your mobile device, and what we're going to do is we are going to open up our web browser, so whatever web browser you use, doesn't matter, and basically we're just going to type up the name of the web page where we can get our codes. So it's called rizdeal.com, so go ahead and type that up, rizdeal.com, and click go. So this is the page, and basically over here we're just going to type up what we want. So we wanted to get the Spider-Man 2 game code. So once it shows up, you can just go ahead and click the see more option. So click where it says see more, then it's going to redirect you here. So basically we want it for PS4 or PS5. So you have all these other options, of course, that you can also use it for, like Nintendo Switch. There's also for PC if you are using a computer, or for Xbox. So we want it for PS4, PS5. So all you have to do is go ahead and click where it says show coupon. So it says a free Marvel Spider-Man 2 free game code. So we're going to click where it says unlock code, as you can see, since the code isn't fully unlocked yet. And it's going to start loading here. So we're just going to give it a minute or so for it to unlock, for it to do this process here. And yeah, it doesn't take so long, so. And all right, then it's going to redirect you to this page here, basically. So it says, please install 3 apps or offers to be able to get the code to obtain Spider-Man 2 for free. So basically what we have to do now is we have to download 3 of these apps or offers that they give us here. Basically, we just go ahead and click here where it says free, and then it shows us like the instructions here. And then we have to just follow those instructions and install them. And then once we do that, we can head back to this web page and we are going to have our code generated. So I'm going to go ahead and download these 3 that I have here, and then I'll get back to you guys to show you afterwards my code generated and also what should show up for you as well. So I'm going to pause this video for a second and then I'll get back to you guys once I have my code. All right, guys, so I have my code generated successfully now. So this is the code that I can use to get Spider-Man 2 for free for my PS4 or PS5 if you have one. So yeah, and that's basically how it works. And of course, for the apps that you download, you can also just delete them. And then, yeah, once you have your code, you can just delete them and move on. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. That is how you can get a Spider-Man 2 for free on your PS4 or PS5. So I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye!